Hello friends, welcome back to my channel VARSHITHA'S tutorial. Education you brings the thoughts. Let us move. Most of us know only external structure of the human eye. But in this video, we will learn about internal structure of the human eye and its functions. Without any delay, let's get started the video.
Human eye anatomy: sclera, iris, cornea, pupil, lens, ciliary body and muscles, conjunctiva, retina, optic nerve, macula, retinal blood vessels, vitreous body.
Okay, now let us learn about eye functions. Sclera.
The sclera, commonly known as the white of the eye, is the tough opaque tissue that serves as the eye's protective outer coat.
Iris.
The colored part of the eye is called iris. It controls light levels inside the eye, similar to the aperture on a camera. The round opening in the center of the iris is called the pupil. The iris is embedded with tiny muscles that dilate and constrict the pupil size.
Cornea.
The cornea is a transparent dome shaped window covering the front of the eye. It is a powerful refracting surface providing 2 by 3 of eye's focusing power. Like the crystal on a watch, it gives us a clear window to look through.
Lens.
The purpose of the lens is to focus light onto the back of the eye. The nucleus, the innermost part of the lens, is surrounded by the softer material called the cortex. The lens is encased in a capsular like bag and suspended within the eye by tiny guides called the zonules.
Retina.
The retina is a very thin layer of tissue that lines the inner part of the eye. It is responsible for capturing the light rays that enter the eye, much like the film's role in the photography. These light impulses are then sent to the brain for processing via the optic nerve.
Optic nerve.
The optic nerve transmits electrical impulses from the retina to the brain. It connects to the back of the eye near the macula. The visible portion of the optic nerve is called the optic disc.
Conjunctiva.
The conjunctiva is a thin, transparent tissue that covers the outer surface of the eye. It begins at the outer edge of the cornea, covers,
The visible portion.
covers the visible part of the eye, and lines the inside of eyelids. It is nourished by tiny blood vessels that are nearly visible to the naked eye.
Vitreous.
Three chambers of fluid: anterior chamber between cornea and iris, posterior chamber between iris donule fibers and lens, and the vitreous fiber between the lens and the retina. The first two chambers are filled with aqueous humor, whereas the vitreous chamber is filled with a more of viscous fluid, the vitreous humor.
Choroid.
The choroid lies between the retina and sclera. It is composed of layers of blood vessels that nourish the back of the eye.
Macula.
The macula is located roughly in the center of the retina, temporal to the optic nerve. It is small and highly sensitive part of the retina, responsible for detailed central vision. The focus is the very center of the macula. The macula allows us to appreciate detail and perform tasks that require central vision such as reading.
Recap of human eye anatomy.
Sclera, iris, cornea, pupil, lens, ciliary body and muscles, conjunctiva, optic nerve, macula, retinal blood vessels, vitreous, retina.
That's it for this video. I hope so you gain some knowledge from this video. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel Varshitha's tutorial. Thanks for watching.